Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl My Life. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. As you guys can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a long braided ponytail. Where's the ponytail at? I was trying to do what Beyonce did on her music video, but it didn't work out. Like, as you guys can see, this hair is really long, really cute, and yeah, so stay tuned. It is water and also gel of your choice, a hard brush, hair tie, and your hair extension. So today we're gonna be using Expression braiding hair, and this is 24 inches. So guys, in order for you to slick your hair down really nicely, you have to literally have your head wet, because I didn't want to wash my hair and have to put so much gel into it. As you guys can see, my hair is not long for me to in a bun and then be satisfied, so I'm really gonna be wetting my hair. I want my ponytail to be super high, you guys. It's dripping all over my face. I'm just gonna go in section and put it in my hair. I'm just gonna put it a lot in the back of my hair because that's the part that is the shortest. And your parting doesn't have to be straight, so I'm just gonna open some here, take some Eco Styling gel and add onto it. There's no really like good way to do this. Like I told you guys, this is gonna be a lot of gel. Okay, so I'm done with the back. Now I'm just gonna turn around to do the front. I'm gonna put it in the front of my hair. Like I said, I'm not shy when it comes to putting the gel in my hair. Same technique. Cut it. I know one of my friends, when she's doing that, she actually put her hair into small pieces, do it the right way, but I ain't got time. Really hard brush. Wet your brush. Ooh. Okay, now we're just gonna hold it and wrap the ponytail holder as many times as you can, you guys. Just gonna braid your hair. Now we're gonna do the baby hair, you guys. I'm just gonna pull out as many hair that I can. Ugh. Okay. And now I'm just gonna wet my hair. So it's not. Damn, sis is long. We're gonna take our ponytail and tie it into our own real hair. So now that's in the ponytail, you guys, I'm just gonna braid. Okay, I finally got a chance to detangle it, so I'm just gonna. When you feel like you're satisfied, you guys, you're just gonna take it in the middle. It's really cute and like simple. So, that's why I like it so much. Pull this, and then as you grab can see, the hair is really long, which I also like. We're just gonna take our ponytail and tie it into our own real hair. Closer so you guys can see better. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little elastic and put it at the end. Keep on braiding it on braid. And I'm just gonna go in and open my braids because I want it to appear like big, thick. Because you know, like my friend likes to say, if it ain't thick, it ain't it. We're done, you guys. As you can see, the braid is really truly like long, really long. I really love this hairstyle. Like I told you guys, like it's really cute to me, with some earrings, some jewelry, a cute outfit. It would really look nice. It goes with everything and anything. I really Yes, I'm almost done, you guys. Braiding it all the way down. I'm just gonna put it in the back.